Welcome to Smartphone Photography. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore how to capture stunning images using just your smartphone. From understanding the basics of composition and lighting to mastering advanced editing techniques, you'll learn everything needed to transform your everyday phone into a powerful creative tool. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skills, this course will take you through the fundamental principles and practical techniques that professional photographers use every day. Before you start photographing, it's essential to understand your smartphone's camera system. Most modern phones have multiple lenses, each serving different purposes. The main sensor captures your everyday photos, the ultrawide lens lets you capture broader scenes, and the telephoto lens brings distant subjects closer. Your phone also has features like autofocus, which automatically adjusts to keep your subject sharp, and exposure metering, which determines how bright or dark your image appears. Take time to explore your phone's camera settings and learn what each feature does. This knowledge forms the foundation of better photography. Composition is how you arrange elements within your frame, and it's the most important skill in photography. The rule of thirds divides your image into 9 equal sections using 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. Placing important elements along these lines or at their intersections creates more interesting and balanced photographs. Leading lines, such as roads, rivers, or architectural elements, guide the viewer's eye through your image. Framing uses natural objects like trees or windows to draw attention to your subject. Depth is created by including foreground, middle ground, and background elements, making your images feel three-dimensional. Master these principles, and you'll immediately see improvement in your photographs. Light is the foundation of all photography. The direction, quality, and color of light dramatically affect your images. Golden hour, which occurs shortly after sunrise and before sunset, provides warm, soft, flattering light that's perfect for most subjects. Harsh midday sun creates strong shadows and can be unflattering, but it's excellent for creating drama and contrast. Blue hour, occurring just after sunset or before sunrise, offers cool, even light perfect for landscapes and architectural photography. Exposure refers to how bright or dark your image is. Your smartphone's exposure compensation allows you to lighten or darken images in real time. Understanding and controlling light will elevate your photography from ordinary to extraordinary. Focus determines what part of your image appears sharp. Tap on your subject in your smartphone's camera app to lock focus on it. Depth of field refers to how much of your image appears sharp. A shallow depth of field keeps your subject sharp while blurring the background, perfect for portraits. A deep depth of field keeps everything sharp, ideal for landscapes. Portrait mode on modern phones simulates this shallow depth of field effect. Bokeh is the aesthetic quality of the blurred background, often appearing as soft, out-of-focus lights. Understanding these concepts helps you direct viewer attention to what matters most in your composition. Camera shake, caused by hand movement, results in blurry images. Stability is crucial for sharp photographs. Hold your phone with both hands, keeping your elbows close to your body for support. Use a tripod or rest your phone against a stable object when possible. Natural light stabilization comes from shooting in bright conditions where your phone uses faster shutter speeds. Optical image stabilization, found in many smartphones, uses lens movement to counteract shake. Your phone's built-in stabilization helps, but proper technique is equally important. Practice steady hands and use environmental supports, and you'll notice immediately sharper images. While your smartphone is capable on its own, certain accessories expand your creative possibilities. A tripod provides stability for sharp images and enables hands-free shooting, essential for self-portraits and group photos. Portable lighting, such as small LED panels or reflectors, helps you control light in any situation. External lenses, like wide-angle or macro lenses, expand your smartphone's optical capabilities. A phone mount secures your device during shooting. A remote shutter button allows hands-free triggering. A lens cleaning cloth keeps your lens clear of dust and smudges, which significantly impact image quality. Start with 1 or 2 essential accessories and gradually build your collection as your skills develop. Once you've mastered the basics, advanced techniques help you create truly compelling images. Layering combines foreground, subject, and background elements to create depth and dimension, making your images feel three-dimensional and engaging. Depth of field and layering work together to guide viewer attention through your composition. Perspective plays with lines and angles to create visual interest and draw eyes into the scene. By combining these techniques, you create images that feel professional and intentional. Experiment with these approaches in different situations. Start simple, practice consistently, and gradually incorporate these techniques into your natural shooting style. Editing enhances your images but should never feel artificial. Start with basic adjustments like exposure, contrast, and saturation, which form the foundation of any edit. Cropping and straightening improve composition by removing distracting elements and correcting tilted horizons. Selective editing uses masks and brushes to adjust specific areas rather than the entire image, giving you precise control. Always use non-destructive editing, which preserves your original file and allows future adjustments. Follow a consistent workflow. Import, organize, crop, adjust exposure, refine color, apply selective edits, then export. Popular editing apps like Adobe Lightroom, Snapseed, Capture One, and Affinity Photo offer powerful tools suitable for all skill levels. Remember, editing should enhance your image, not transform it beyond recognition. Success in smartphone photography comes from consistent practice and intentional learning. Practice regularly to understand your phone's capabilities and develop your visual eye. Study light in all conditions, as light defines everything in photography. Know your smartphone's hardware limits and software features inside and out. Iterate and refine your work constantly, reviewing what works and continuously improving your process. Always clean your lens before shooting. Use the rule of thirds to compose your images. Lock focus before capturing your shot. Shoot in RAW format when your phone allows for greater editing flexibility. Experiment boldly with new techniques and perspectives. Avoid digital zoom, which reduces image quality. Don't always center your subject. Avoid shooting directly into harsh light. Never overprocess your images. Most importantly, don't compare your work to unrealistic standards. Your smartphone is a powerful creative tool. Master the fundamentals, practice intentionally, and your unique vision will shine through.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.